Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do this easy stitch 2 rows repeat. This stitch works with multiples of 6 plus 3 more chains. After you chain your multiples of 6, you're gonna chain 3 more chains. You're gonna skip the first chain from the hook, and into the second chain from the hook you're gonna do a single crochet, and then you're gonna do a single crochet in each chain until you finish the row. I chain here multiples of 6, 18 chains, and I add 3 more, so in total, after I skipped the first chain and I worked into the second, I have 20 stitches here. And after you do that, you're gonna chain 3, turn your work. We're gonna skip the first 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and into the fourth stitch we're gonna do 3 double crochets, and I'm working now with 3.0 millimeter crochet hook. So we're gonna do 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet into the same stitch where we did those 3 double crochets. You can use this stitch with any yarn size, thin, thick, medium, doesn't matter. Okay, now we're gonna skip the next 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the 6th stitch we're gonna do 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet into the same stitch where we did those 3 double crochets. This stitch is quite easy for you guys, the beginners, if you want to make a blanket. And again, we're gonna skip the next 5 stitches, 2, 4, 5, and into the 6 we're gonna do 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets into the same stitch. So you're gonna have like a shell, and you're gonna be left with 4 stitches, in which we're gonna skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th, which is the last one, we're gonna do a double crochet into the last stitch. Okay, this stitch has 2 rows repeat. This is one of the rows that you're gonna repeat with these shells. Now we're gonna chain 1. This is the second row that you're gonna repeat. Into the first stitch we're gonna do a single crochet. You move to the next stitch, which are the 3 double crochets here. Yeah, so into the first double crochet, through the stitch, single crochet, move to the next, single crochet, next double crochet, you're gonna do through the stitch a single crochet, chain 2, and now you're gonna go to the half of the shell, the next 3 double crochet, and in each stitch we're gonna put single crochet. So 1, move to the second and the third, and then we have the next 3 double crochets, in which we're gonna put single crochet in each stitch, chain 2, and we're gonna move to the next half of this shell, and in each stitch you're gonna do single crochet. So you have the next 3, single crochet, move to the next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, chain 2, I'm gonna move to the next 3 double crochets, in each we're gonna put single crochet through the stitch. And now at the end we have the chain 3, so we're gonna go on top of the third chain right there, and we're gonna do a single crochet. So we started in the beginning with 4 single crochets, and we're going to finish with the 4, and in between we have 6 single crochets. Now you're going to repeat the row with a shell. We're going to chain 3, turn your work, yarn over the hook. We're going to go to the 2 chain space, yeah, the 2 chain space of this single crochet row. So in that space there, we're going to repeat 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and the third, yeah, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets into the same 2 chain space, yeah. Yarn over the hook. We're going to move to the next shell, let's say, and in that 2 chain space we're going to repeat 3 double crochets, see, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets into the same space. And you can alternate colors with this, but I think to alternate colors you will alternate when you start the row with a single crochet, yeah? So you move to the next shell, and in that 2 chain space of that single crochet row, the previous row, you're gonna put 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets into the same 2 chain space. Go back and do the 3 double crochets, and this row you always gonna finish with a double crochet into the last stitch, yeah? So we skip the next 3, and into the last one we're gonna do a double crochet, yeah? It's gonna look like this. So now if you want to change colors before you, let's say, do the, you have to do the double crochet here. When you have 2 loops on your hook, then now you attach the new color, yeah? So you're gonna chain 1, turn your work, and now you're gonna do a single crochet into the first stitch, and then you have the next 3 from this shell, the first 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and you're gonna move to the half of that shell, the next. So you see we did the 4 double crochet, 4 single crochets here, and then the next is gonna be the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you're gonna have again 6, and at the end you're gonna have 4, yeah? So this is the stitch. Well, like I said, the last single crochet, it's gonna be on top of the chain, the third chain, yeah? You can alternate colors, you can use variegated yarn, you can do so many things with, use different yarn sizes, so many things you can do with this stitch. Looks quite nice. And these are the sides. So it's easy to put borders if you want, yeah? Easy to put borders if you choose to make a blanket with this. So this is the one side, and this is the back. This is the back side. Both sides look nice, even for a scarf, if you want a scarf, yeah. So it's quite nice, and it's so easy, so simple, yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this stitch. I'm sure you can find something to do with this stitch. Looks quite nice. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day.